Oh, it's big. Wow. Wow. Nalalaban na. Laki. Laki nga, di. Wow, pinakamalaki. Oh my God, it's very big. Kailan, kay. Wow. Ang laki. Oh my God. It's very big, guys. Look.
Oh.
Guys. Ay, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Muntik mo makawala. Muntik. Oh, man. Dad. Oh, Daddy.
Nalagot eh.
Hindi ba na-hit. Sige, lagay mo ulit dyan. Oh, man. Pinakamalaki. Oh my gosh. Oh, man. Ito may nagre-ring din yun eh. Nung umano ka eh.
Myself.
Oh my goodness.
Myself. My brother.
Yay! Whose red is this?
Mine.
What did you put?
That is mine.
No. You caught my line earlier.
Oh! That's so funny. Oh, man. Carp daw. Carp ba?
Big. It's big.
That's a carp daw.
Is it?
Whoa.
I thought it's a drum.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a drum, right?
I don't know what type of fish that is.
Check it on your phone, Dad.
Yeah. Ooh, that's the one you caught before, too.
Yeah, it's like...
Hey, hi.
Whoa.
Keep you, man.
It's meant to be yours, Daddy.
We just go.
What you catching with for worm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Live worm. Hey, Dylan.
We
Yeah.
got one fish right here.
Oh, y'all got one right there. A big old perch. Yeah.
It's meant to be yours.
Yep, right. You think that's the same one?
Yeah, it is. It's because it.
Yeah.
See this?
Yeah, that's meant to be yours, right. That's
Yeah.
meant to be yours, right. Don't
Whoa.
bag up in the corner. Don't bag.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
All right.
I heard it.
I don't know what that is. Is that a car? What you say it is?
A drum.
A drum.
A drum.
Mhm.
Okay. I never heard of a drum. Is they eatable? Can you eat them?
I'm not sure.
Okay then. Yeah. I got a big catfish. Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, you
I
saw
saw
I
it.
saw you guys earlier. Good luck.
You better put that in the big cooler.
Okay.
Yeah, but we don't have the big cooler right now.
Ano mo si KK para makita ko yun. No, just
No, just
so
come
we can
close to the fish.
so we can see if it's how big it is. Look
Look at the
at
camera.
that. It's so funny. It's so funny, Daddy. Sabi ko, parang yung fish niya, hindi ko maril. Nababali. Akala ko,
What are we gonna do with this one?
tingnan mo muna ako nakakain.
Kakain niya, ikaw din mo.
Drum?
Yeah.
Teka, I get close muna. Teka, hawak ka muna. This is the biggest fish that Daddy caught. That's the biggest fish. Ilang ano yan siguro? Alright. Congratulations. Naputol sa ano niya pero
Tubuha ko pa rin.
it's meant to be. Naawa sa iyo eh.
I think your line caught my line.
I know. Look at that boy.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, I got your line. Babe, go! He's there! Hey there! Oh!
Babalik ako sa iyo. Naawa ako sa iyo. Babalik ako sa iyo. So funny, ha? Gusto mo talaga magpahuli ano? O sige. Uwi ka namin.
Okay, we're gonna close.